Good afternoon, class. Just today, there is a very important topic of IIT JEE. Man, advance and mathematics. Important topic like binomial theorem. Binomial theorem. What is binomial theorem? What this word binomial? Okay. Y. Binomial. Bi plus nomial equal to binomial. Okay. Bi means two. Nomial means term. Okay. You have heard about that binomial, bi plus nomial. Nomial means nom means term and y means two term. What is two term? There is a two term like two variables we can say a, b, x, y. Like okay, we can say a, b, x, y. There are two terms like x square plus 5x plus 6. Quadratic equation, maximum power of the term is square, so it is called quadratic equation. When maximum power is in equation is like x square plus 5x plus 6 is polynomial. Means polynomial we can say. Then the quadratic equation, it is, when it is equation, when it is equation like x square plus 5x equal to 0, this is called equation, but it is only polynomial if there is missing. If b equal to 0 is missing, it is polynomial, quadratic. Okay. Means there is a plus b two term, but in the binomial theorem we are generally expressed x and y. X and y. Two term are x and y. Power is n. Power is n. Is the general term. We can say the main general formula or standard formula of binomial theorem. What is that? X, y, n. Okay. We can say x plus y then x plus y equal to x plus y. Okay. Then x plus y e power 2. You know the formula expansion is that x square plus 2xy plus y square. You know very well. Then x plus y ka whole cube. What is that? X cube. But in that binomial theorem term, it is expansion like x plus y ka whole cube. What is that? we can say x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Okay? You have understand that point on expansion of x plus y cube. But at that like formula, it is called 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. In that formula, like x plus y equal to x plus y का whole square, x square 2xy y square, x plus y का whole cube, x cube plus y cube, died. Okay, this is the point. You have understand that point in preceding class. X plus y का whole square, x plus y का whole cube. What is that? Then how the binomial theorem express that in that form? This is, if there is a binomial theorem, only two terms, x and y, or a or b, not z, not c. Okay? Then general formula means x plus y equal to x plus y का whole square equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay? And x plus y का whole cube, x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Okay? In that binomial extended terms. Then standard formula like x plus y 1, 2, 3, n की power n equal to 1, n equal to 2, and n equal to 3 means x power, then x plus y की power n. This is the point, is that x की power plus y की power n. This formula says that. And what is the expansion of that x plus y की power n is a binomial theorem expression. You have understand that point? Okay. We will proceed that. If x plus y to power n What is the point that here positive integer n, positive integer n greater than, okay, then x plus pi power n sigma r equal to 0 to n, here it is n we can say, okay, then n c r x की पावर n minus r y to the power r. This is the main point, main expansion of that. Sigma r to power 0 to n ncr x की power n minus r y की power r. Okay, what is sigma means summation. Okay, where r is 0 to n. Okay, what is the formula expansion is that sigma r equal to 0 to n ncr x की power n minus r y की power r. In that formula put the value of r 0 to n and we can plus plus plus. What is that? Okay, this is the r to the power 0. In that expansion, r to the power 0, what is the value? R to the power 0, then nc 0. Okay, nc 0, then x की पावर n माइनस r, n माइनस r, n की वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्या है? n है और g की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 0. तो ये हो जाएगा x की पावर n, y की पावर कितनी है? 0, y की पावर 0. किसी की पावर 0 होती है तो 1 होता है, ठीक है. इसके बाद प्लस what is this? There is a summation, there is a summation. So this is plus r to the power 0, then r to the power 1 plus what is that? n c 1 x की पावर n minus r n minus 1 प्लस y की पावर r यानी y 1 प्लस nc2 x की पावर n minus 2 प्लस y 2 प्लस nc3 प्लस nc3 x की पावर n minus 3 y cube dash 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 n c n r की पावर n, there is a dash 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 n c n r की पावर n, x की पावर n minus n यानी कि 0, n minus n 0, y की पावर n यानी कि x की पावर 0 y n. There is this value is 1. Okay, this is the main concept of the expansion. You have to memorize that point sigma r equal to 0 to n ncr x की power n minus r y to power r, and we can say this is the expansion, simple expansion. What is the summation? There is a sigma means summation, plus 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 plus. If I am right hand n equal to 0 to 3 and x की power n, what is the value? If we consider that point sigma n equal to 0 to through x power n. Then this is the expansion, right? X की power n, x की power 0 plus x की power 1 plus x की power 2 plus x की power 3. Okay, if there is a n equal to capital N, then x की power n. Okay, this is the, so we can say what is the, when there is a term is sigma. Very confusion that point. What is that? Hoga. No, just simple that. X plus pi to power n equal to sigma r equal to 0 to n NCR x NCR. What is the CR? This is a combination. What is the point is that we will explain. NCR x to power n minus r y to power r. Bus, you have to memorize that. You have to memorize that in finger points. Okay, we will proceed. Then if there is a general term, yes, general term, we have a general expression formula. First is general expression formula, expansion formula. What is that? Sigma r equal to 0 to n NCR x की power n minus r y की power r. Okay, this is the, we can expand that and we can express in that precise form. This is the point. This is what is the sigma. Means sigma n equal to 1 to 100. Okay, and n. What is that point? 1 to 100. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 100. This is the sigma expression. But it's just simple that. Just clear the concept. What do we memorize? This is. You can express the formula what that arrive, why that is arrive. No, you have to memorize this expansion in the sigma form. Then we proceed. Second is general term. General term. General term means T r plus 1 equal to NC r x की power n minus r y की power r. R equal to 0, 1, 2, dash n. Okay. Then what is NCR? Yeah, this is the term NCR. What is that NCR? This is NCR means factorial n upon factorial n minus r into 1 upon factorial r. There is also one standard point is that NCR equal to NC n minus r. This is very good standard point of that. NCR equal to NC n minus r. What is that? means we can say NC3. Okay, 4C3. NCR 4C3. N to the n value is 4, R value 3. 4C3. What is that point? 4C n minus R 4C1. 4C3 equal to 4C1. We can say. We can say this is बिल्कुल confirm say. Okay. What is the point? Then NCTR plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus R y to the power R. Okay. Then there is like what is NCR? Factorial n minus factorial R. NCR equal to factorial n upon factorial n minus R into 1 upon factorial R. There is a factorial like that. Factorial R. There is also a symbol of that factorial. This is also factorial. This is a symbol of factorial. You can use any word, any symbol of that factorial. What is the factorial? Means factorial 5. What is that? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. Then we can say factorial R equal to factorial R into R minus 1 into R minus 2. Okay. And value 1. ठीक है. Okay. So then what is that point? You have understand that point? Okay. General term. TR plus 1 equal to NCR x minus n minus R. What is the NCR? This is the point and factorial. Right? Factorial and what is that? Factorial 5. It is equal to 120. In the different factorial like factorial 4, factorial 5, you have to finger point of that factorial. So solve the binomial problems. ठीक है? One in combination problems like okay. Okay, general term. Then binomial coefficient. What is that? Okay. Okay. There is a point is that after second point. Second is middle term. Third is middle term. Middle term means if n equal to even, then middle term. If n equal to odd term, middle term, we can say x square plus 2xy plus y square. What is the middle term? 2xy. Okay. Then if n equal to even, t ny2 plus 1 equal to n c ny2 x की power ny2 y की power ny2. If n equal to odd, what is that? T n plus 1 by 2 equal to n c n minus 1 by 2 x की power n plus 1 by 2 y to power n minus 1 by 2. Okay. This is also formula. We have to memorize that. So we can solve the problems of binomials. Okay. Of G advanced, G main like. Okay. We have to memorize that formula. Then for term independent of x or y. If there is a term independent of x and y, means there is a term independent of x, y, and this is a term independent of x. Okay, so we can say, what is that point? T r plus 1 NCR x की power n minus r by to the power r exponent for constant term like x की power n minus r by to the power r equal to x की power 0. Okay, then n minus r equal to 0, r equal to n. This is the condition. Term independent of x. Okay, then term independent of y. We can say x की power n minus r, y की power r, y to the power 0, then r equal to 0. This is the point. Okay, then there is an example of that. What is that example? What is that example? X plus 1yx to the power n. Here value is y is 1yx. Then point tr plus 1. What is the tr plus 1? NCR x की power n minus r, y की power r. This is the point. Then value of NCR. Here value is n C r. Then x की power n minus r. Okay, की power n minus r. Y value is 1yx. Y की 1yx power r. Okay. Your point is that. Then NCR x की power n minus 2r. Wow, very nice. Then next standard point is that, formula is that for each sum of coefficient. Sum of coefficient. What is that? What is coefficient? Okay. Here x square plus 2xy plus y square. What is that coefficient? X square coefficient 1, 2xy 2, and y square 1. Here is 4. Okay. Then sum of coefficient sigma r equal to 0 to n NCR. Then value is that to the power n. So what is that? if x plus y का whole square, then to the power n, what is that? Value of n 2. So sum of coefficient is 4. So to the power n. Then alternating sum. Then sum of coefficient is 0. कई जगह आंसर जी एडवांस में 0 आ जाता है अल्टरनेटिव सम होगा तो, ठीक है. देन सम ऑफ इवन कोफिशिएंट. What is that value? To the power n minus 1. And sum of odd coefficient. To the power n minus 1. What is that? Okay, you have to point that. Then next point is that okay, then 1 plus, okay. In next class we have to discuss about that. Okay. But at that class, I think very point of that questions like means binomial theorem expression, how the binomial theorem expression expressed in precise form, and what is the standard formula of that, like NCR plus 1 and middle term, constant of independent of x and y, like, and sum of coefficient to the power n, then sum of even coefficient to the power n minus 1, odd coefficient to the power n minus 1, and what is that, like alternating sum of coefficient is 0, and you have to memorize that NCR x to the power n minus r, x plus y to the power n equal to NCR x minus sigma r equal to 0 to n x to the power n minus r into y to the power r. This is the point. And we have to just example of that questions, that formula like that. We have to just like this is one question of that question, like we have to solve that. We have to study just now. We have studied just now, like na, okay. So like this is a question is find the constant term in expansion means expansion x square plus 1 upon x cube power 12. Okay, how can we solve that? Just tell you the standard formula of binomial theorem is x plus y power n equal to sigma r equal to 0 to n x to the power NCR x to the power n minus r y to power r. Okay, then value of x it is, value of y it is, and r n value is 12. If there is a expansion sigma r equal to 0 to 12, NCR n means 12, C R value NCR, okay, 12 CR x की वैल्यू n माइनस आर, 12 माइनस आर, x की वैल्यू एक्स स्क्वायर है ना, एक्स स्क्वायर की वैल्यू 12 माइनस आर, देन y वैल्यू इज 1 अपॉन एक्स क्यूब वैल्यू आर. ओके. कांस्टेंट टर्म, कांस्टेंट टर्म after the evolution of 12 CR S24 minus 5 for constant term. What is that? Value is that 24 minus 5R equal to 0. Then 5R equal to 24. Then R equal to integer point like 4 point something. So constant term does not exist, means 0. कोई कांस्टेंट टर्म नहीं है, नो कांस्टेंट टर्म. ओके. सो वी हैव टू स्टडी. आपको ये क्लास बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी बाइनोमियल थ्योरम को समझने के लिए, बाइनोमियल थ्योरम का कंसेप्ट समझने के लिए, बेसिक से समझने के लिए. आपको कमेंट, शेयर, लाइक, सब्सक्राइब करें, कमेंट करें, लोगों को शेयर करें और मुझे फीडबैक भी दें. मुझसे संपर्क भी कर सकते हैं 8878220080. रत्नेश क्लासेस पर, पढ़ो भारत पर भी हूँ, हमसे पढ़ो पर भी हूँ, और साथ में हब ऑफ मेंटर पे भी मैं टीचर हूँ. ठीक है. ओके. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.